Good morning, everyone. No, I give my highest respect, even though they are not here. No, our head in our municipality, Mayor LV Babalcon, as well as Vice Mayor Eunice. No, they are in Manila. Nanay will be attending LMP, and Ate Eunice have other important matters also to attend, which of course in line also with the LGU. No. So also, I give my highest respect to the men in uniform. No, I think Sir Ricalde is not here, pero of course, the men in uniform are here, as well as Sir Rabadam. Thank you, sir, for your presence. And then, of course, no, our SB members no, who are here. I'm not gonna call each one of you, ha? Kay paganduro damo, tas damon ira tugon. Bayan kita alas 9 na pumalik dito. So, I thank you for your presence always no, in our Monday morning. No? So, in behalf of Mayor LV, thank you very much. And of course, no, I also give my highest respect to each, everyone head of offices, no? Also my co-workers in the LGU, dire pa ako nasasanay pero masasanay gihap, no? So thank you for coming here, co-employees, co-workers in the LGU, no? So we are actually celebrating still, no, the Women's Month, no? We are all still celebrating the Women's Month, and of course, no, si Hilayla nag-istorya, no, we actually uplift the women's right and gender equality, no, and this is evident in our municipality because, of course, no, mas overpowering ang women, no, durudamo ang women kontrahan men, and even in our head of offices, no, half ngani. So, of course, we do not only talk the talk, but we also walk the walk in terms also of empowering women. Evident also in our officials, no? Our VM and our mayor is also women in action, no? So also, I also want to commend in behalf of Mayor LV the things that the legislative department do, no? So they are. I was also present when they had a consultative meeting in Tigbawon, no? So I was there, and then they had like 4 ordinances that they presented to the people, and then of course, no, I also would want to commend nga how they do it in the legislative department. They are not only envisioning government for the people, but it is also government with the people, because the people were deciding also for that ordinance, no? So I noticed nga the people were actually pitching what they want in that ordinance, and people who are nanay, lola, they would want to add some things on the ordinances, and this is in reality, no, engagement of the people, and then of course, no, making sure that everyone is part of the legislative ordinances or whatnot. Okay, so also I would want to mention about the 4-day work week. No, this is actually may dako cheat note kay nasa rin ni nanay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, para di naghingalimot. So we will also be actually doing this, no, because this is a mandate of the national government, and then nasa rin hinanay na dapat ko nung mag-atuman liwat kita hini. So nasa rin hiya na we will start, of course, we will still gonna be giving executive order, of course, with the help of our IS, no, Miss Gurley, but this is the gist, no, ang iya storya. So we will be starting Monday to Thursday, and then we will be starting 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Of course, there is an assurance that though this will be a lesson birthday, the services of the government will never be shortchanged. No, people will never be shortchanged of the services of the government. No, so we will make it an assurance na bisan waray kita ha Friday, nahimo lang ako kita atong trabaho. So it's gonna be early For those people who are not a morning person, patay. So 7 a.m. Pero at least no, we have Friday as a free day. And then this is, of course, I'm not sure if you're familiar with this 4-day work week, no? Kaya to actually make sure na lesson na natin expenses, no? Natin aircon. Nasa rin yung mana, Joy. Kaya mas dapat na mga tiya bill iya na household. Okay, ato naman niya mag-aircon na na household. Okay, of course, no, this is of course to help the LGU save money, no? So also, cheat day. So air conditioning units will be actually turned off maybe 1 hour, and maybe we can also propose that the light, of course, very good magsisisiron, pero maybe less than 1 light. Okay, so may do our part, no, to be efficient. Efficient means less resources that we use. No, efficiency means less resources that we use, but still doing our job. No, air conditioning, ikat natin -1 hour. Dere ako yung nagsusugo, ha, yung mayor. So, and then of course, so scheduling of the patient, no, transporting patient, if we can do a carpooling, but of course, exception to the general rule is emergency cases. Kaya di naman kita maguhulat nga, magduduhay lang pag-emergency para ma-push through, no? So, I think we are already doing this, no, Doc, nga di rin ba natin ginudulong, kung di rin emergency, nagdudulong kita, nagduha na, or may nakitaging kukuha liwat. So, layon-layon, because of course, we want also to save costs, no? So, also, mostly our plannings will be here. Of course, this is in discretion also of the mayor. Kung kinahanglan, kung kumadto kita yung ibang lugar, pwede man, pero of course, this is a discussion of the mayor, thinking or putting in mind the cost, no, or the resources used, no. So also, PO will be, of course, released, no, as I mentioned. Of course, we will try to put it hand-eye with Miss Burley, and then you will be receiving it, but of course, we will be doing this moving forward, no? Again, to cut costs. And then also, we have, I just want to mention, no, about the chaos in the Middle East, no? This is of course in line also of cutting costs, no? Though this is happening very far from us, right, we are already experiencing the effects of this, no? Gas prices go up, no? 20 pesos na then additional and was not, no? So in this thought, no, let's do our job well, efficiently, trying to take into consideration that every one of us is also have the burden. No? We have the burden to this cost. No? Bisan ako, naki-hitch na ko kananay to go to Tacloban because of the prices. No? So every one of us is having a hard time because of this. No? Imagine, imo gasolina yan na plus 20 pesos per liter. And even our salary is as is, no? And the prices of goods go up. So what we can do as a public servant is to actually help each other, doing our part efficiently, and take note that we have to be very patient with our clients because they have also a hard time, no, in this crisis, no. So let's offer a prayer of world peace. Maybe it's a cliche, pero kinahanglan natin world peace because we are all experiencing the hardships because of this chaos, no? So I think that's all for the Monday morning. Please have a productive week ahead, and also bear in mind that we are here for our clients. Thank you, everyone.